Omukyala.
Lady.
Buzibu ki?
What's the matter?
My child was
Speak louder.
She was fine and she was walking properly. Then the father took us to Busoga. That he has failed, let's go to the sisters. When they reached there, he left and went for charcoal. They said that there are other places. Then the girl started getting fever. My in-law told me to go to the hospital. Then they went. They treated the fever, went away, but the legs failed to move again. I've ever come here before. I've been watching you on TV when you're healing people. Then I decided to come back to Pastor Iga. You pray for my daughter so that she gets well. Because I've seen many get healed, so it's my church, I have to also be healed. She got transported.
How does she move herself? Come back here. Turn around. What do you ask the Lord?
Pastor, I request that you pray for me and I be like other children.
They see how we pray for fellows. Do you want to get healed?
Yeah, Pastor. Yes, I want to be delivered.
Do you feel bad being like that?
Yes.
Osaba Yesu akutambuze. Nawe osome.
So you can go back to school.
Gamba Yesu mponya.
Say, Jesus heal me.
Chogere.
Say it again.
Yesu mponya.
Hey. Mama.
And she feels bad seeing her peers playing while for her she's like that. Poor lady. How do you feel when your child is like that?
I really feel bad because she used to move, but now she doesn't.
Poor lady, she's in many tears. Look at this age. And then you get upon and lie to the people that these miracles are faked. That is why you see people are you're so overstanding. You know where to take your patients.
Today is your day.
Amina.
Look at the pain that this little girl is going through. Lady, if at all your child gets healed, are you going to be happy? What song do you imagine to sing for the Lord when your child is well? Clap for that, everybody. Child, are you going to be happy when the Lord makes you walk?
mama.
My child, let me put this ring on you. The legs are all, they've lost weight, they've darkened. My Holy Father, I put power into the legs of this child in this evening. Father, shame our enemies. Those who think that our God does not work, embarrass them. Tonight, I want this child to be set free today, not tomorrow, or even next week, or even next month. I want it today, now, right now, right now, in the name of Jesus. Child, I lift you from the ground. I lift you from the ground where you are. I lift you from the ground. I raise you from down where you are. You walk. Don't fear. In the name of Jesus, I command this child to stand and walk well and be happy and sing for the Lord. I raise you from the ground. I raise you from the ground. I raise you from the floor. 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 I raise you from down where you are. I raise you up. 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 I raise you up.
This is a university.
And a university.
It's not a P5.
And a P5. Yes. Put her down. Child. Yes. You've walked.
Yeah, Pastor.
Can you run? Run and we see.
Now she can run.
Hallelujah.
I build my daughter.
Sing a song for the Lord.
Yes. Wachitima, oh, wachitima mukama, wachitima, esi simu wachitima, simu wachitima, tendo nedimu na unaela, wachikeka na unaesu, wachitima, asani na matendo mukama wange, wachitima mukama, esi simu wachitima, simu wachitima, tendo nedimu na unaela, wachikeka na unaesu.
Our God is not for darkness. Amen. What do you thank Jesus for?
I thank Jesus for keeping me alive.
Kiwebaliza Mukama. Ogenda kwewanira ku bantu abadde bakusekerera.
You're going to face your peers who are laughing at you.
Bulijjo bakusekerera nga bagamba ki? Oli muvi.